Hey everyone, we're at the Halloween race in Bay City, Michigan. They're having a bump and run with the big cars, small cars, rear-wheel drive demolition derby, compact demolition derby, and chain and wire demolition derby. And this is full back here in the pits. There is no spots at all. It's nothing but cars. Get a little walk through all the cars that are around. Not many people in the stands, but there are a lot of cars that are around. There's James Cyan's car. Big bump and run car. A lot of them still have their car covered up from the rain that we just had. Rain and snow. Oh, it matches the car.
Heck yeah! My troll hair is in the car. You gotta get a picture in front of it.
The front of it? I'm videoing this, so it's even better. My girlfriend's the one that takes the pictures. Oh, that's pretty cool. Going out for the best decorated car contest, right? Oh, cool, you guys always do, so yeah, that's pretty cool.
I made his mom made the outfit, I made the hair.
Yeah? Nice. Good luck, we'll root for you. Yep. Here's one of the rear wheel drives.
Don't act like that one's heavy, it weighs 3 pounds.
Right, exactly. Leave it to us women.
Look at that thing.
You're like a wet cat over there.
On and done. Exactly. I can't get it done.
Brandon Corthal's car. Running that, Brandon? Gut and go? Gut and go, right? Yeah. Nice. There's Herb Freeman's. All the Freeman cars are here at this one, this race. Keith Rivers. Herb Senior. That's a mud bath. It's nothing but a mud bath.
All the drivers?
I didn't know you was here, but yeah.
Chad. Good luck, Chad. Walk down this way through all this mud. There's a big mud path. pit back here. Big mud pit. I'd say there's easily 60, 70 cars. I'd say. Pretty nice paint job. Car.
Hey.
Hey. How's it going?
Last derby season, long excited.
Huh?
Last derby.
Yeah. Could put it in the books till next year, right?
I'm ready to call it quits. Wow. Crap, it's hunting season.
Yeah. Here's the old Lumina Johnny bought from my girlfriend Christy. Ran it down there in Saline at the Demolition Derby Championship. Gonna try to finish her off up here. Bay City. Balls time.
I fucking slipped right here, and I caught myself on your car and about ripped my fucking hand open. What's up?
Hey, hey! It stopped raining.
Hey, check this out.
Hey.
Derby cracks. Ain't coming
Oh,
off.
hey, there you go.
We're talking it today, boys. Put on my 4-wheel drive. Yeah, it's possible like
I will walk over here to this side. Got quite a few cars over here. There's nothing but mud. Be a fun time getting out of this after it's all over. Definitely 4-wheel drive in it. John Spencer's car right there. Oh yeah, like I always do.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
That's the first time I've been up here, Rick.
Yeah. I got my channel. I do a lot of the races. I video them. And this year, that's what I've been doing is going through and catching everybody's car. So you can see that. You can see it on the, without it being on the track. You can see it at the show itself. Yeah. Oh, look at this. That's pretty cool. Superman. I think that's Mark Super's car. I know that's his trademark. I could be wrong though, but I think it is. Pretty sweet. Not Redwood's car.
it going?
Good. How about you?
Pretty good.
Good. There's a lot of cars here. A lot of cars. Hey, Robin. All right. Wagon time. Huh?
Jump right in the big chunk.
Yeah. Let her eat, right?
It's fucking good at running, right?
Oh, it's not running right? No. Shoot. Huh?
Glad to see you guys are here.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't miss this.
They're doing with this bad boy today.
Oh, GoPro? Yeah.
07.
Cool. Cool.
Spotted not too long ago.
Yeah.
Yep. This one's not going on top of the car though. Heck no.
It's gonna catch a lot of mud.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it's because I've seen mounts like this before. And,
Yeah.
My motocross helmet.
Yeah.
Actually, like under the visor. Just a little bit in the way of sight, but
Yeah. There's a lot of cars here, man. A lot of cars. Huh? I got it. I got it on video. A Templa's car. David Laney's car. I got the checkered flag flying high.
oh, you got the right idea. We're in
Jerry Light's car.
With the sexy shoulders.
How's it going? Oh, yeah.
Jory Magnus's car. Hey, Todd. All right. Glad the rain stopped.
Yeah, me too.
Jeez. There is a lot of cars here. Just can't say enough. It is filled up. Let's swing back around. Tony's doing a little bit of work with his car. Well, there you have it. The complete infield of all the classes of the cars competing tonight, for this afternoon, for the Halloween bump and grind, demolition derby. You name it, it's going to be here at the Bay County Fairgrounds 2018. See y'all later.